Hi, good evening. My name is Sagar and I'm from OEM Update Magazine. And we are speaking with Mr. Vineet Seth, who is the Managing Director of Mastercam in India. So, Vineet, thank you so much for spending time with OEM Update today evening. If I could begin by asking you, how are the advanced cam solutions evolving in the Indian market or in the Indian context?
Mastercam has been at the forefront of machining and CAD/CAM technology for decades now. And we have been increasingly helping our customers, especially in India, to upgrade their skills, to upgrade their knowledge, and to upgrade their ecosystem for producing better, faster, and more accurate.
How are AI, automation, and IoT integration shaping the future of CNC programming?
So AI is everywhere, and we would be I would be amiss to say that AI is not something that we are not involved in. We have an increasingly intense amount of involvement with AI tools. We have recently launched our co-pilot for Mastercam, which will help our customers make it. It will help our customers make it more easier for themselves to program parts, to be able to make a family of parts or do machining for similar parts. The co-pilot is more like actually a co-pilot when you are on an aircraft, like it is helping you navigate the process of manufacturing. So Mastercam is trying to help our customers with the enhanced AI functionality that we are building within our software.
What kind of real productivity gains do Mastercam users typically achieve? If at all you could elaborate a bit on that.
Immense actually. A lot of our customers see multiple gains in. I could talk about 50 to 78% gains when they use Mastercam.
Okay.
Over any other tools or any traditional methods that they might be using. Mastercam is immensely powerful, but very intuitive at the same time. So it is easy on a user or a customer to gain a lot of productivity, but with a lot of ease of use built in.
Let me take one on the skilling part of it. So, what skills will keep machinists and programmers future ready in the years to come? We see, because there is dearth of skill. Somebody spoke on the panel as well, how skill should be actually brought into the industry, where you make these people very much industry and user industry ready. So, what are your thoughts on that?
So first of all, I'll begin by saying that Mastercam invests a lot of time and effort in upskilling the workforce. We are currently a part of a project that is led by Tata Technologies for upskilling students and people who join into the ITIs in various states right now. So far, we have upgraded close to 700 ITIs in the country. When you ask about the skills that the students or people must have in order to be future ready, I think the most important skill is the combination of the good knowledge of the basics of manufacturing added with CAD/CAM knowledge or machining knowledge or combined knowledge. But going forward, I would also say that the one skill that people must learn increasingly for remaining relevant in the industry is multi-axis machining.
Absolutely.
And I think that is the future that is going to help students remain more relevant. The whole ecosystem is moving to multi-axis machining in the country anyways. So to answer your question, that would be one thing.
Just a more follow up on this question, because this is very interesting for me, because I also want people should be, the next generation should be industry ready when it comes to skilling. So any initiative Mastercam has taken with as in tie up with some academia or tie up with some technology institution, where you can actually get to the campus or impart training and get them ready?
So Mastercam is used by over 1,000 engineering colleges in the country today, only in India. I'm only talking Indian numbers. Mastercam is used in these many engineering colleges, plus the ITIs that we are upgrading, plus the polytechnics that we are upgrading along with Tatas. Now, when you talk about what people can do, all these institutes are the ones that are training students only on Mastercam. These are great resources. These are great resource locations for people to go out into the market and to go out and learn Mastercam. In addition to that, we are also working with a variety of authorized training centers that that are there in the country, which impart training to working professionals.
Okay. Yeah.
So we cover a broad spectrum of training ecosystem so that everybody who wants to learn can learn.
That's a great insight, and that's a great initiatives what you are already taking. So, and where do you see the future of CAM in the next 5 years?
It's only going to get stronger. It's only going to be needed more and more because, when we are talking about India specifically and the world at large, we are talking about manufacturing becoming more mainstream. We have been talking about India being at the forefront of doing technology, upgradation technology wonders, and therefore, which means that we'll produce far more complex things going forward. We would require more CAD/CAM, we would require more CNC machines, we would go more complex with our machining setups. I see the future as something which is strong and very bright.
Thank you so much for your time speaking with OEM Update Magazine. As we sign off, thank you so much for joining us.